Embaúba House, an architectural masterpiece by Lucas Takaoka, is located in São Paulo, Brazil. Built in 2022, this house is more than just a residence. It is a reflection of the evolving human lifestyle that increasingly values balance between work, personal life, and connection with nature. In the modern era, many people seek tranquility outside the city. The sight of forests, fresh air, and the sounds of nature have become essential elements in creating a better quality of life. Embaúba House emerges as a response to this need, offering a space that is not only functional but also provides mental and physical balance for its inhabitants. The name Embaúba is derived from a native Brazilian tree known for its regenerative properties. This tree grows quickly in areas that have suffered deforestation and helps restore ecological balance. This concept serves as the main inspiration for the house's design, which is crafted to blend seamlessly with its surroundings and support a more harmonious way of living. The house features an open layout with maximum integration into nature. The use of natural materials, such as wood and exposed concrete, creates an organic and warm ambience. Large windows and wide openings allow natural light to enter optimally, while establishing a strong visual connection with the lush greenery around it. In recent years, the concept of work-life balance has gained more attention. This house accommodates that need by creating a comfortable workspace amidst a natural setting. With its calming design, this house becomes an ideal place to work without sacrificing the essence of home comfort. On the other hand, the house also offers spaces designed for relaxation and self-reflection. Expansive outdoor areas, a terrace facing the forest, and vegetation elements enveloping the building provide a deeper living experience. Here, residents can enjoy fresh air and experience tranquility far from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Embaúba House is not just a physical structure. It symbolizes how architecture can help individuals rediscover a healthier life rhythm. Small changes in the living environment can have a significant impact on shaping a more balanced and meaningful daily life. Through this house, Lucas Takaoka demonstrates that architecture is not just about aesthetics, but also about how spaces can function as tools to enhance the quality of life. With a design that harmonizes with nature, Embaúba House teaches us that a better life can begin with how we design and organize the spaces around us. Thank you for joining this architectural review. Don't forget to subscribe to Unit 2 to stay updated on more home design inspirations.